For years, I suffered from migraines, and my quality of life was less than perfect. Since I have discovered chiropractic, I have been able to move more freely. My migraines have subsided, and most recently, I found out about the Atlas that needed to be adjusted. Dr. Sweet showed me this, and he uses a mathematical computation to figure that out. And since that time, I was suffering from migraines probably 2-3 times a week, and now maybe one every 3 months, if I can remember if I had one. It's the best thing that's ever happened to me. My quality of life is amazing. I'm hiking again. I'm enjoying life again.